Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in the weekend with the Quran, today I'm going to do Suratul Furqan, ayat number 26 to 35. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Ayat number 26 is Al-mulku yawma izinil haqqu lirrahman wa kana yawman alal kafirina asira. It means that true authority on that day, meaning on judgment day, will belong only to the most compassionate, to Ar-Rahman, and it will be a hard day for the disbelievers. Ayat number 27 is وَيَوْمَ يَعَزُّ الظَّالِمُ عَلَى يَدَيْهِ يَقُولُ يَا لَيْتَنِي اتَّخَذْتُ مَعَ الرَّسُولِ سَبِيلًا. And beware of the day that a wrongdoer will bite his nails in regret and say that, oh, I wish, ya laytani, I had followed the way along with the messenger. I had followed what the messenger said, asked us to do. Ayat number 28 is Ya wailata laytani lam attakhiz fulanan khalila. It means, woe to me, I wish I had never taken so and so as a close friend. You know, sometimes friends make us do things that we should not be doing. So on that day, the people will be biting their nails and saying that I wish that I did not make that person my friend. Ayat number 29 is Lakad azallani anis zikri bada is ja'ani wa kana shaytanu lil insani khazula. It means it was he who truly made me stay away from the reminder after it had reached me. You know, sometimes even if we want to get towards Allah, towards Islam, the friends around us, they make fun and say, oh, what are you doing and all that. So it was he who, whenever I tried to get towards the reminder, he just stopped me. And Shaitan has always betrayed humanity. Ayat number 30 is وَقَالَ الرَّسُولُ يَا رَبِّي إِنَّ قَوْمِ اتَّخَذُوا هَذَا الْقُرْآنَ مَهْجُورًا. It means the messenger has cried that, oh my Lord, my people have indeed received this Quran with neglect. So they have neglected it, they don't read it, they don't follow it. The messenger will be saying this about the people. And then ayat number 31 is وَكَذَلِكَ جَعَلْنَا لِكُلِّ نَبِيٍّ عَدُوًّا مِنَ الْمُجْرِمِينَ وَكَفَى بِرَبِّكَ هَادِيًا وَنَصِيرًا. It means that similarly we made enemies for every prophet from among the wicked, and but sufficient is your Lord as a guide and helper. Then ayat number 32 is وَقَالَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا لَوْلَا نُزِّلَ عَلَيْهِ الْقُرْآنُ جُمْلَةً وَاحِدَةً كَذَلِكَ لِنُثَبِّتَ بِهِ فُؤَادَكَ وَرَتَّلْنَاهُ تَرْتِيلًا. It means that the disbelievers say that if only the Quran has been sent down to him all at once. We have sent it down in such stages so we may reassure your heart with it, and we have revealed it in a deliberate pace. So the disbeliever said, why doesn't it come all at once? So Allah, and you know that Quran was revealed in 23 years, and so the disbeliever said that why doesn't it come? So Allah is saying that it is sent down slowly and gradually according to the need of the time. Then the next ayat is ayat number 33, which is وَلَا يَأْتُونَكَ بِمَثَلٍ إِلَّا جِئْنَاكَ بِالْحَقِّ وَأَحْسَنَ تَفْسِيرًا. It means that whenever they bring you an argument, we come to you with the right refutation and best explanation. So the Quran is revealed in steps so that whenever the people they brought any argument, the answer came, and their argument was answered. Then ayat number 34 is Allazina yusharuna ala wujuhihim ila jahannama ulaika sharrum makana wa azallu sabila. It means that those who will be dragged into hell on their faces, astaghfirullah, will be in the worst place, are now furthest from the right way. So these people which are going to be dragged in the hell on their face down are the ones who are farthest away from the right way in the world. And the last ayat for today is ayat number 35, which is وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا مُوسَى الْكِتَابَ وَجَعَلْنَا مَعَهُ أَخَاهُ هَارُونَ وَزِيرًا. It means that we certainly gave Musa the book and appointed his brother Harun as his helper. So tomorrow inshallah we'll be doing the next 5 ayahs. Fi amanillah.